Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this part. This is a very simple part. So this is 30 millimeter from here, 12 up, and 30 millimeter radius here of this arc and 60 millimeter of this arc. It goes up here, and this is the center of this same center, though both these arc. This arc is 8 millimeter and 8 millimeter hole, 7 millimeter here, this, and 7 millimeter from here. So let's start. See, we'll go step by step. A new part, okay. On the front plane, I will draw a sketch of center lines like so, and I will draw excuse me, I will draw a center point arc from 30 radius from here to there. I will trim it extra, and I will go from here 60. I will try this. Take this and this, okay. This is radius is 30, okay. This radius is 60 millimeter. I will draw lines to connect this to this, and again I will draw a line from here to here, here and there. This is 12 millimeter, 12. This is 30, yes, okay. I will draw a line. I'll go back again and convert into arc. I will go down 7 millimeter and 7 millimeter here and 40 millimeter there. Like so. Let me give the dimensions. This is 8 millimeter. This is 7 millimeter. And this is 7 millimeter also. The angle is 30 millimeter. And this is 15 millimeter. And this is from here to here is 40. The sketch is fully defined. Only one thing left is a hole here of 8 millimeter. Okay. Now let's extrude it. Everything looks fine. Extrude. Mid plane. I will extrude this. Only mid plane up to 50 millimeter. Okay. I'll wake this up again. Extrude base boss. I will take this mid plane 70 millimeter, like so. I will draw a sketch here on this face. Like so, and another here. Let's take it a little bit above. These two are equal. This and this one is equal, and this is 30 millimeter, which is the cut. This and this is also same 30 millimeter. Let's define these 3 points into horizontal relation. 27 millimeter from here, okay, and we will give this dimension, any dimension will do, as long as it is above this face. I think it is okay. We can cut it now. Sketch is fully defined. This is 30. Okay. This is 30. This is no problem. This is 30 also. Okay. We will cut it up to this surface. I will double click it, and there is no problem here. This one is complete. Now I will go for fillet, full round fillet. I will flick this, this, and this, like so. I will draw a sketch here, a circle of 16 millimeter, and this must be 15 millimeter from here, because 25 and 15 is 40 millimeter, and 40 millimeter we made this from here to here, so this is automatically 15 millimeter. Okay, let's cut it up to next. Okay, the part is complete. Let me give it some color. I think the color, this looks good, I think. Okay, let's check with drawing if it's say okay. This is 15 millimeter, as you have seen it, 16 millimeter of dia, and this is 30 millimeter, 30 degree from here, 8 millimeter hole as we made it, and 8 millimeter of this radius, 7 millimeter height, and 7 millimeter this. We made it as per drawing. Everything looks fine. It's 27 from here, 30 here, and 30 there. It looks good. The part is complete. So this was the very simple exercise. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and have a good day.